Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to have a look about the circle theorem. And the reason I choose this chapter because a lot of students they're stuck on this particular chapter. So this is the circle, and first of all we're going to have a look about the parts of the circle. A circle has a center. It's a very middle point called center. And another important thing is circumference. Circumference is the length, the distance around the circle called circumference. And radius, the length between the center and the circumference called radius. Arc is a part of the circumference. The next one is chord. Chord is a line that connecting 2 points from the circumference. And the chord can make two segments. For example, this chord can make a region this side and a region on the other side. This is called segment. This is the minor segment. This is the major segment. And the chord going through the center is called diameter. And diameter is the longest chord in the circle, and it's a double amount of radius. The next one is tangent. Tangent is a straight line. Touch the circle in one point of the circumference. Mr. Tangent. Now I'm quickly going through the 7 rules. The first one is tangent and radius meets at 90 degrees. So this is the right angle. So tangent and a radius, they meet here and they make a 90 degrees always. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, next is a second rule. A tangents from a same point are same length. So you can see two tangents here. They come from the same point. So this is the length of this tangent and this is the length of this tangent. And these are equal. Okay, have a look on the third law. Angles in a same segment are equal. So you can see this chord make two segments. One is here, one is there, and the angles in the same segment. So you can see these two angles are equal. The angles from the same arc is equal. Draw here. If you think it's a chord and it's make two angles here and there, these two also equal. If you say it's x, this is also x. Now it's the fourth law. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So you can see this chord is make an angle in the center. It is double of the angle, the same chord make the angle in the circumference. So if we say this is the x value and this angle gonna be 2x. The fifth law is the angle in a semicircle is 90. So you can see this diameter, divide this circle as a two parts, two semicircle actually. So this angle subtended from this diameter is always right angle. So that is the fifth law. So you can say any angle made from the same segment is 90 degrees. As long as it's come from the same 2 points. The sixth law is opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral at 280. So quadrilateral is a four sides shapes. It's inside of the circle and all of these corners touching the circumference. So this is the cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of the opposite angles of this quadrilateral is 180. For example, if you say this angle is A and this is B and this is C, this is D. A plus C opposite the angles at 280. So B plus D also 180. The seventh rule says alternate segment theorem. The angle between the tangent and the chord. Okay, so chord tangent here and a chord, and the angle between them is equal to the angle which made from the other segment, so opposite segment, so not in this segment here. So this angle is equal to this angle, and you can say even this angle is equal to this angle. So that is the alternate segment theorem. So we can do some exam questions, and this is the circle, and angle BAC is 28 degrees and angle ABD is 54 degrees. And say find angle ACD. So angle ACD, we need to find this. So as per the circle theorem, the angle in the same segments are equal, so this is equal to 54. So angle ACD is 54, and the reason is angles in same segment are equal. It's another question from the exam paper. A, B, C, D are the point in the circumferences of the circle, and AOC, the angle AOC is 108. And now we need to find what is the angle of ADC with the reason. This angle ADC. So if you imagine AC is a chord and it's make an angle in a center 108. The same chord make an angle in a circumference is ABC. So as per the circular theorem, this is twice of this size. So you can say ABC, angle ABC is half of angle AOC. So you can say the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So angle ABC is equal half time 108. So it's going to be 54. So now we find this is 54. This is the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral at 280. So ABC, angle ABC plus angle ADC at 280. So ABC is 54. So 54 plus ADC equal 180. So ADC is 180 minus 54. So it's going to be 126. So you can say ADC is 126. This is the end of this video. So I went basic parts of the circle theorem and the parts of the circles, and we can do more exam question and practice question over coming video. So don't miss it, and I'll see you. Thank you.